Sanbanani and welcome to Wisdom X Magaziwe. Imina ingane yamakhehla madala, amakhehla makhulu, amakhehla amahle. If you're watching for the first time, siyawamukela. We are all about sharing wisdom, healing, and sharing light for the world to become better. There is something on the social media spaces that I saw, and I would like us to talk about it as abatandas, as everyone. There's someone who made a video who is saying do not bring don't bring prayer into a muti fight. And then this person kahle kahle uthini, you can't bring a knife in a gun, like in a gunfight. I'm saying bring prayer in every fight that you will come across, because of the God that we serve. uNkulunkulu lo esimthandazayo akahlulwa yilutho, kanti futhi uvika yonke into. Angisho kanje because of ngizama ukukhohlisa, but if umuntu okhulekayo ombethwe yiwona amakhosi, I can tell you for free, all my life, people have been using witchcraft on me. Ngiyajikelwa. Esontweni, people will say, hey, uhlisiwe. Like, there were a lot of things that were said about witchcraft blocking me, and witchcraft, people are still even today trying me with witchcraft ngemithi yabo, ngeinhliziyo zabo. But the God I serve, uNkulunkulu umvilinqangi lo ngimkhulekayo njalo, uyena ongenza ukuthi ngime ngisho namhlanje. Yes, uyazivumela lezi zimo ukuthi zingithikabeze. Ngiyazwela, I don't want to lie. Mongadla ngiyazwela because of why I'm in human form. But iqiniso ukuthi angeke ke uzongigqiba phansi, kumele ungicele kuyena umvilinqangi. By just saying that, it shows you what type of faith, i-level ye-faith yami ikuphi. Kunezimo esengidlule kuzona that made me to see amandla wakhe umvilinqangi. So people always use strategies to sell whatever that they are selling, their service or their products, just to convince you. If someone say you can't bring a knife to a gunfight, basically this person is saying to people, you can't bring prayer into a muti fight. Trust you me, kunabantu abasishaya ngeichitho la ngaphandle. Siyakhuleka thina. Njoba usubona sikanje, it's because of prayer. And I'm saying this, I am not lying to you. You pray, you connect. And more connector uyambulelwa. Ngingasho ke ukuthi asifani because of simbethwe imimoya engafani. Mawumbethwa amakhosi, I think you can relate. Because of umbethwa amakhosi, bangaloko bekusebenzisela imithi, angeke sisebenze leyo mithi. You will definitely feel the effect ukuthi I you will even sense it. But the more you pray, the more their witchcraft declines la kuwe, iloko le ingasebenzi. Bagcine bethi wena wenzani uyathakatha. Because of I am a firm believer that you can't honestly fight fire with fire. Ngoba ungishaya ngesichitho nami ngikushaya ngesichitho, ayisapheli lento. And I've addressed this in one of my videos ukuthi uzothola ukuthi kunomuntu okushaya ngesichitho okushaya ngomuthi, kanti no, this person is inviting you to this evil fight. Uloko luyakungcolisa, nawe ugcina ungcola, and ugcine so stuck, ugcine so ungazazi. Continue to pray. Whatever battle ohlangabezana nayo, continue to pray. Bakhona abantu abazothi hayi umthandazo awusebenzi. Awukusebenzeli umthandazo because of you don't believe. Awukusebenzeli umthandazo because of awuwethemba wona lamandla phela ngaphakathi kwena. Awukusebenzeli umthandazo because of you just lack the faith or faithless. But if you were faithful, and some people they believe umuthi uyasebenza, uyayithatha lento uyayiphephetha, uyayithatha lento uyihlanganisa ney'nsila zabantu, uyagubha wenzani, uhlaba imipopo, zonke lezi zinto lezo, and then all of a sudden you say umuthi works just because of it share instantly. You'd say, hi, it works. Kanti cha, with prayer, I can be praying today, and when uthi ayikho into ekenzakalayo, but trust you me, the minute the prayers zizokuthinta, the minute nje the action happens, uzothi uloyiwe, because of uyokushaya lo mkhuleko, uyokushaya ubukwa abantu, ngoba le nkosi esiyikhulekayo iyinkosi ebukisayo. Ngabe ngikhuleka kanti yona ithini? At the right time, all these prayers zakho ubuzenza ziyoshaya umuntu ngathi yizulu ke manje. So wherever you are, pray. Whatever fights ohlangabeza, thandaza. God is for us all. God uyilamandla anzulu, ajulile. Methembe ngaso sonke isikhathi. I love you so much, guys. Akube nobumbano, nozwano, nothando ngaphakathi kwamakhaya wenu.